Have you ever feel like you can read, listen to, and understand English well, but still struggling when it comes to speaking? Have you had to join an English meeting with foreign clients? Have you ever been asked to give an English presentation and feel the panic? If so, don't worry. You are definitely not alone, and you've come to the right place. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, and I'm so excited to share my journey with you. I'm not a native speaker. I'm not even fluent yet. I'm an intermediate English speaker, and I'm still learning every day. My name is Jiang. I live in Tokyo. I can speak Mandarin Chinese, Japanese, and my local dialect fluently. But when it comes to speaking English, I've had to start from scratch, like many of you. That's exactly why I created this channel. I want to prove that you don't need to be perfect. You don't have to live in an English-speaking country, and you don't need to feel embarrassed and discouraged. Anyone can become a confident English speaker with time, effort, and the right mindset. The key to improve your speaking skill is quite simple. Practice every day. Try to just become a little better than you were yesterday. And most importantly, never give up. To be honest, I still make a lot of mistakes. I often get stuck and don't know the right words. But I practice every single day. I keep going. And I truly believe a few months from now, you will see a different version of me. This channel is for English learners who want to grow, improve, and push themselves forward, one step at a time. Maybe you don't use the English at your job. Maybe you will never live abroad. Maybe your environment doesn't give you opportunity to speak. It's okay. That's exactly why we are here, to support each other and improve together, even if you are not in an English-speaking environment. So again, if you are serious about getting better at your English, this channel is for you. If you're still watching, you might be wondering if he is an intermediate English speaker. How is he making the video? Why doesn't his English sound so bad? Is he reading the script hidden behind the camera? Just like, good afternoon. My name is Russell. I'm a wilderness explorer in trip 54, Sword Lodge 12. Are you in need any of assistance today, sir? No. I can help you cross the street? No. I can help you cross your yard? No. I can help you cross your porch? No. But I gotta help you cross something. No, I'm doing fine. Well, honestly, I thought about that. But in the end, I decided not to read from a script. Why? Because I know if I want to improve my English speaking skills, I need to challenge myself. I need to push myself outside my comfort zone. That's what I've been doing for the past few years. I began speaking English about 7 years ago. At the time, I was already over 30 years old. Yes, over 30 years old. I had just joined my previous company, and one day, out of nowhere, my supervisor asked me to give a presentation in English in front of foreign clients. I remember thinking, are you serious? My English speaking skills are basically zero. I was terrified. I didn't know what to do. I feel like I was going to completely mess up, not just the presentation, but the whole meeting. To avoid that disaster, I asked my supervisor, can I prepare a script and just read it during the presentation? But he looked at me and said, no, nobody does that. I was like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Then, a funny idea pumped into my head. What if I take the day off on the day of the meeting? Then you can give the presentation instead. Haha, just kidding. I didn't do that. But what I did do was come up with a plan. And in the next video, I'm going to show you the exact steps I followed to make my first English presentation a success. It's not so easy, but it is not harder than you think, I promise. It's something you can do too. If you like this video and want to improve your English speaking skill with me, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Let's practice together, grow together, and support each other on this journey. When you speak English, you can connect with people around the world. You can open new doors and discover new opportunities. Your mindset will change, and your life will change. So stay tuned and see you in the next video.